I also had to choose outfits that didn't require bras because somebody stole my bras, all of them, at the laundromat. I should probably clarify. A creep did not just sneak inside my house and steal my bras.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Richay here, back again with another video. Welcome back to my car. My sister is about to enter the car right now because we're going to Dallas. Say hi.
Hi, who am I talking to?
In YouTube.
Oh, hi, YouTube.
We're going to Dallas for the day. We have a concert to go to up there. So welcome to my car. And hey, my juice. I asked her to bring me a juice. So yeah, we'll probably sleep in the car for a couple hours before coming back. I had to get this outfit on for the day and then our crazy over-the-top outfits for the Jonas Brothers because well, one, my little sister wants to wear the red dress and high heels, and I didn't have a red dress that matched hers, and she wanted us to match. She doesn't have a blue dress and high heels, which is not the same, but you know, it's whatever. I also had to choose outfits that didn't require bras because somebody stole my bras, all of them, at the laundromat. I should probably clarify. A creep did not just sneak inside my house and steal my bras. At the laundromat, they stole my bras, which is even weirder when you think about it, like why? But people are weird here. Anyways, we have a bunch to do today, so let's get it done. We have our Jaden's bag and her backpack, my bag. We have our blow-up air mattress back there because we're going to sleep in the car. As well as, I don't know if you can see this, just use my juice. This yellow thing, yeah, my battery tends to die every now and then at the worst times. Not often, but like every few months. So yeah, I had to bring that just in case. That red thing back there is an emergency toolkit. And then of course my logo on the back of the car. And pillow and blankets. Yes.
Just one pillow.
Yeah, I said pillow. Let's see the outfit of the day.
The outfit of the day, my shoes are untied.
Super cute, we love it. And she's got the red lipstick. Oh, she's prepared. I'm not gonna go ahead and bore you guys with the long drive there, but just know it was about 5.5 hours from San Antonio. And yeah, it was a great drive, I'm not gonna lie. The entire way here, every time she saw a dog in a car or truck, anything, she'd be like, oh my gosh, she'd be like so fascinated with it. And she don't even own a dog.
So, I love animals. That's why
When have you ever been a dog person? Anyways, we were supposed to go to an interactive museum, but that was like 45 minutes away from like the center of Dallas. And then it's about to hit rush hour. It's 4 p.m. It was 4 p.m. when we got here. It's 4:30 now. So we had to change plans. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go create custom lipsticks. But like we also learned that a custom lipstick is like $50. So there's not much to do here during like the short time that we have. And apparently there's a lot of alcoholics here because like everything on TikTok is bar. And she's not 21. So she kind of ruined my fun.
You can't drink and drive anyways.
Plus we only here for today. We're gonna sleep for like 2 hours and then we're gonna drive back home. Because I have to be in Warrington with Tiffany. So here we are. We gotta go around the Starbucks. I told her we need to eat actual food, but she wants to eat Starbucks. That's not very healthy. Anyways, let's go. I just realized this was a one-way. Look at her little Dora backpack. Your Dora backpack. I am showing YouTube your backpack. Okay.
Was it so cool?
Oh yeah, because her Dora backpack is like so cool. That Mix Beauty blend bar thingy. You also have the scent room that smells incredibly complicated. The Magnolia sounds like food, but kind of looks like a theater, so.
Right here. Okay, right? Oh, walk-ins open. Okay.
Okay, well, let's go. But the lipstick place basically said they take walk-ins. So we walked in and they were like, you need an appointment. You want to make an appointment? We said, yeah. They said the next available appointment is 5. Plans, they have bookings or whatever, and we don't have time for that. So I guess we're probably going to do absolutely nothing in Dallas other than the concert. This place sucks already. Alright, I guess we find something to eat since we got nothing else to do. It would be very obvious she said if I tape this to my thigh, I could bring it in the concert. This don't look right. So we went to this place called Quality, and now we're going to Cauldron Ice Cream or whatever. But she's a weirdo. I'm pretty sure you go that way. It's higher. In no way do I encourage stealing. That's it that I have for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, follow me on all social medias. They're all at Okayrichay. I'll see you next time. This girl proceeded to take off her makeup and her eyelashes. And apparently she packed a face mask while I drive home.